Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to update PHP version WordPress in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your cPanel and inside of the search box search here PHP, and then here you will get this option, select PHP version. Click on it. And after that you will be able to see your current PHP version here. So my one is 7.2. To update the version, click here, and from this list you can update your PHP version. So I'm going to update to 8.0 and then click on set as current. So here we can see I successfully updated my PHP version. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.